everyone. In this video, we'll be answering a tricky question based on momentum. Now, it's a common experience for all of us to see a karate player breaking a pile of tiles or a big ice slab with a single blow of his hand. And we wonder how he does that. With just a single blow, he breaks such a huge pile of tiles and also such a big piece of ice. So this is the mystery that we are going to solve in this particular video. So the question that we are going to answer here is, how can a karate player break a pile of tiles with a single blow of his hand? Now we'll be answering this question using the concept of momentum. So let us brush up whatever we have already learned about momentum here. We have learned that the impact produced by a moving object depends on two things, that is, the mass of the object and the velocity with which the object is moving. So these two things are the one which define the impact produced by the moving object. Now these two quantities are related by another physical quantity which we have called as the momentum. So the momentum of an object is given by the product of the mass and the velocity of a moving body. Now the momentum of a moving object increases with an increase in the mass of the object, the velocity of an object, or an increase in both of these quantities. So when the mass of an object increases, the momentum that it possesses increases, and when the velocity of the moving object increases, even in that case the momentum that the object has increases. And when there is an increase in both of these quantities, there will be certainly an increase in the momentum that the body was possessing. So with this, we'll try to solve the mystery that is the concern of this video. Now let us try to analyze what happens when a karate player breaks the pile of tiles with a single blow of his hand. The first thing that happens is the karate player moves his hand. The second thing that happens is he hits the pile of tiles. And the third thing that we observe is that the pile of tiles breaks. So these are the three events which happen one after the other in the whole act of breaking the pile of tiles. So now we are going to analyze each of these steps by using the concept of momentum, and we'll be arriving at the answer to our question at the end. So first thing that is happening here is the karate player moves his hand, and he moves his hand very quickly. You might have noticed that, right? So on quickly moving his hand with a very large velocity, what happens is his hand gains a large momentum by simply moving with a very fast movement. Now the second thing that happens is he hits the pile of tiles. Now in this step, what happens is the large momentum that his hand has gained by quickly moving is fully transferred to the pile of tiles, and it is done very abruptly. What I mean to say is, the large momentum that his hand has developed by moving quickly completely gets transferred to the pile of tiles, and this happens very abruptly. Now what happens as a result is that a large amount of force is being exerted on the pile of tiles all of a sudden, and this is what leads to the breakage in the pile of tiles. So the whole pile of tiles breaks with a single blow of the karate player, and this is the mystery behind it. This is the answer behind the question that we have posed. So this is the secret behind the mystery that we have seen before, and we can conclude that this is simply a momentum game that has been played throughout the act, which leads to the breakage of the whole pile of tiles with just a single blow of the hand of a karate player. And I hope this answer was fully understandable to you. Thanks for watching.
TutorialsPoint.com. Simply easy learning.